From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to easily and quickly install this beautiful bob wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to easily install this beautiful wig. This wig is from Tinashe Hair company. I'm gonna put all the specs and everything that has to do with it in the description box below. So if you know me, you know I love short wigs, especially this length. This wig is 12 inches, but I believe they have 10 inches or they have a longer one as well. But to me, I love the 12 inches. I would even prefer like a 10 inches or 8 inches bob, like make it really short, you know. So I absolutely love this bob wig. When I brought it out from the pack, the first thing I noticed was the texture of the hair. Like the hair is really soft and very sleek and smooth, you know, very nice. You can see I was able to lay it down very well. It came flat but not really flat, so I had to use my hot comb to lay the lace closure very well. It's a lace closure wig and with a transparent lace in front of it. As you guys can see, it looks so natural. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily and quickly install it. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this bag contains the accessory that came with the wig, and these are the accessories.
My enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise.
Then this packet contains the wig.
I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive.
So this is what the wig looks like. The hair on the wig is absolutely beautiful. It's so soft. So you guys can see my fingers are running through it effortlessly. And it's a lace closure wig. And as you can see, it came with a band as well. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front.
All the pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned. I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid.
So here I'm just going to apply my beard head spray, and then I'm going to tie a scarf and let it dry for like 5 minutes.
From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never.
After 5 minutes, I'm going to take out the scarf. This is totally optional. You don't have to do the beard head because it's a lace closure wig, but I just decided to do it for this video. And also you can lay your baby hairs if you want, but I'm not doing it for this video as well. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and apply my heat protectant oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tweeze out the pattern, and then I'll apply my concealer to give it a more natural look. Now I'm going to take my hot comb and then comb the hair.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here.
After that, I'm going to use my hair straightener to, curve the hair a little bit.
I'm not afraid, like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
And then I'm going to spray my holding spray to keep the hair in place. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig. This is something you can just definitely wear and off you go. You don't have to put on the beard hairspray or use any got to be glue gel. And I enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.